Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is diffusion, how particles spread out from where there are lots to where there are fewer. By the end of this video, you'll know the precise definition, the three factors that change the rate, and exactly where diffusion matters in your body right now. Diffusion is the net movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration down the concentration gradient. No energy is required. It's driven by random thermal motion of particles. The word net is important. Particles move both ways, but more flow from where there's more to where there's less. Three things to lock in. 1. Steeper concentration gradient gives a faster rate of diffusion. 2. Higher temperature means particles move faster and the rate goes up. 3. Larger surface area gives more places for particles to cross and increase the rate. Adapt 1, 2, or all 3 to speed it up. Common slip. Diffusion is the net movement. Particles move both ways across a membrane. We describe the overall direction. And don't confuse diffusion with osmosis. Diffusion is for any small particle. Osmosis is specifically the movement of water across a partially permeable membrane. Quick example, in the alveoli of your lungs, oxygen is at a high concentration in the air and low concentration in the blood. Oxygen diffuses from alveoli into blood, down the gradient. Carbon dioxide does the opposite, diffusing from blood into the alveoli, ready to be exhaled. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.